In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge videos in Google Photos. Now, you might be wondering, does Google Photos have a straightforward way to merge videos? Well, it doesn't offer a direct merge videos into one file button. But don't worry, there's still a way to combine your videos using the Create feature in Google Photos. Let's dive into the process. To start, you'll need to open the Google Photos app on your Android or iPhone. Take a moment to make sure you're logged in and have all your videos backed up. Once the app is open, you'll want to select the videos you want to combine. There are two ways to do this. Option A, which is the easier path, involves using the search feature. Tap on the search bar and then go to Videos. Here you'll see all your video files. Long press on each video you want to include in your merged video. This step is crucial because it ensures you select all the clips you intend to combine. Alternatively, you can go with Option B. This involves opening your library and manually finding the videos you want. This method might take a bit longer but is useful if you already have a specific idea of where your videos are located. Once you've selected your videos, tap the Create button, which looks like a plus sign, at the top of the screen. This button is your gateway to making something new with your videos. After tapping Create, you'll need to choose Highlight Video, which might also be labeled as Movie depending on your version of the app. Selecting this option tells Google Photos to start combining your selected clips into one cohesive video. This feature is Google's version of merging videos, allowing you to create a seamless viewing experience. Now that your clips are combined, it's time to edit your merged video. Google Photos offers several editing options to enhance your creation. You can trim each clip to ensure they're just the right length. Adding or changing the background music is another option, giving your video the perfect mood. In some app versions, you can also reorder your clips, which is fantastic for telling your story just the way you want. Additionally, if you're not a fan of the original audio, you can mute it. Each of these editing options lets you tailor your video to your liking, making it uniquely yours. Once you're satisfied with your edits, tap Save. This is the final step to ensure your merged video is stored securely in your library. You'll see it appear alongside your other photos and videos, ready to be shared with friends and family. Before we wrap up, it's important to note that Google Photos doesn't stitch videos in the way a professional video editor might. It creates a compiled, movie-style video. For those seeking more control over transitions and precise merging, you might want to explore additional apps like CapCut, InShot, or iMovie for iPhone users. These tools offer more advanced features for video editing enthusiasts. And there you have it, a simple guide to merging videos in Google Photos. With these steps, you can easily create beautiful video compilations with just a few taps. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.